Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year and welcome to the very first wig review. We're doing something different for 2023. This package was sent to me by Beauty Forever. They sent me this gorgeous box. This is what the wig came in, and with the wig came these wig caps. I've never been sent wig caps like this before. Some eyelashes as per usual. And then they sent me this branded Beauty Forever wig laying strap. It is so soft. And they also sent me this cute brush that is retractable. So this is the hair. It is the kinky texture. I've never tried kinky textured hair. I've also never tried this color, which is this reddish brown copper going color. And this wig is a frontal wig, 24 inches, 150% density, but I will leave all that for you in the description box down below. Before laying my wigs, I go in and put on a wig cap. This is because my hair is relaxed and I'm just trying to protect my hair from the friction from when the wig does tend to move around. I don't do the ball cap method. That's because I'm trying to save my edges. But yeah, that is what I do. Put the wig cap on. I like to move it back a bit so it's not sitting directly on my hairline, because chances are it's going to cause friction and that hairline gonna be gone, baby. So I'm going to put the wig on for you just so you can see the kinky texture of it. Like, you can literally see it's got this zigzag kind of thing going on it. But I will tell you, I love the hairline. It's not over plucked, but this hair is full and also it is so soft. This is very soft for kinky textured hair. I'm usually afraid to choose kinky textured hair because I'm afraid it's going to be a little bit hard, but this was very, very soft. I also like the fact that the ear tabs on this wig align with my ears. Quick wig prep. I am going to put heat protectant on, some Moroccan argan oil serum, because I am going to be straightening this hair out. I'm not familiar with this texture, so I'm going to ease my way into it. But for today, we're going to straighten it out, and I'd like to see how it kind of takes to being straightened. So I'm just going in section by section, taking a fine-tooth comb, combing through the hair, and then running my straightener through it. And that's basically all I'm going to be doing. I did try to film as much as I could, but I didn't realize that my battery was flashing. And yeah, it kind of stopped recording and went off, but I went on ahead and I just straightened this wig out as straight as I could get it. Now it's time to lay the wig. So I'm going to put the wig on. This is what it looks like straightened, and I'm so impressed. Like, you couldn't even tell that it was a kinky textured wig. It is so straight, but also kinky textured hair is fuller for some odd reason. Like, I just love how full it is, and it has so much motion. I could not stop running my fingers through this hair, you guys. I'm just going to clip the hair away from my face so we can get to work, okay? First things first, we are going to be cutting the lace, and because of those ear tabs, I don't even have to cut away in the front of my face. It's just cutting from ear to ear. I do like to go in a zigzag motion. The scissors I am using are from a manicure pedicure kit, so these are actually cuticle scissors that I'm using. And I did speed that up because you've seen me do this like 1,000,001 times, just cutting away the lace in a zigzag motion. I do not like to leave a lot of lace because that just looks weird for me, kind of cuts off my forehead, and I do not like that. I like to show you guys my forehead in all its glory, child. using this wig spray. It is the Glamour fast drying, no residue, extra mega hold spray. I'm just going ahead and spraying it. I find that tapping it in with my finger helps it not to run down my forehead, which is amazing because that way I don't have white residue under my makeup. And once that is done, I'm going to take this soft, lush wig strap that came in this box, and I'm just going to wrap it around my head, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes just so that spray can dry down nicely and that the lace will not lift. Drinking my water, gotta stay hydrated, and then I'm going to pull that strap off. My wig is laid. But this is something new that I've been doing with my wigs. I'm going to take a fine tooth comb and I'm just going to go on in the hairline. This to comb all the hairs that was stuck by the spray, because it looks kind of weird when you've got like that hairline that is laying down with the glue and it makes this line of demarcation that you can see. And sometimes when you comb the hair with a fine tooth comb, the lace does tend to lift a bit. So I'm just going to take my spray again, go in for a second time. Also, doing my hair this way makes my wigs stay on for longer. I can keep my wigs in for an extra day or two, which is actually amazing when you're kind of strapped for time. This time around, I'm going in with the elastic band that I got from the fabric store. This one kind of melts like the lace in super good. And voila, there you have it. Wig is late, baby. I'm just going to wipe away the residue from the spray, and then when I come back, I'm gonna have my makeup done, darling. Then we're going to do the finishing touches so I can give you a finished look of this red hair. But I think I make a gorgeous red head. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. But I definitely love how this color turned on me. Also, it's giving festive. Like, call me Mama Claus because, darling, I'm delivering today. I'm going in with wax stick because I'd like to lay that front part like extra flat. This wax stick was gifted to me by a friend and it works pretty good. So yeah, I'm just going in with my hot comb and I'm just kind of pressing it down. It's flat, but I wanted it like flatter. So that's why I'm going in with my hot comb. Oh, you guys, please look at this wig. Like, it melted. I didn't have to pluck. I am trying my hand at baby hairs. Please be gentle with me. This is the first time I'm doing this. I just thought it would kind of pull the look together, but also give it some pizzazz, you know, new year, new things. So I'm trying, and I kind of liked how it turned out. It was a little bit cute, but I am going to get better with time. So please give the girl some grace. And why do the baby hairs on one side always look better than the other side? I don't get it, but I will practice. I'm going to take that Moroccan argan oil from OGX and I'm just going to put some on my palms, rub it down through the hair just to give it a little luster and sheen. But otherwise, this wig is perfect and I am super happy with how it turned out. I was a little bit skeptic about kinky hair, but girl, look at that lay. Like, I love it. You can't even tell it was kinky. It actually looks like it's straight hair and I absolutely love it. So I went on and changed into my dress and this is the finished look. This hair from Beauty Forever is absolutely incredible. I am going to leave you the details in the description box down below. Check it out because I am going to leave you a coupon so you can save some coins. Thank you so much for watching me slay this wig. Leave me a good old comment in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.